I know for a fact that in the past, and I'm improving on this, is I tend to avoid things like conflict, right, as a personality. And that quickly gets pushed to the fore when you have a team, right? Like, and don't get me wrong, conflict is not fisticuffs, but it's just, I want to do this, I want to do that, or my opinion is X, my opinion is Y. And having to handle that requires you to put yourself out there and say, I believe in this, right? But in the same time, at least I strongly believe in the approach where you have to get both guys on board, both team members on board, right? It's not, I'm choosing her, sorry, you're not gonna go ahead. It's trying to bring those two together, but in the same time also knowing that you're gonna have to at some point just vocalize your preference. And I think that's a process that team building really forces on you to become stronger in that sense.